So today I'm going to show you something fun, guys. So did you all get your first semester results? Or yeah, did you get your semester results?
No.
No? Okay.
Yes, we
Yes.
got.
So were you satisfied with it?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody who's not satisfied? Yeah, I am also not satisfied. So let's see. I'll show you something fun. Let's go to our. Can you see this? Yes. This is my mark sheet, and if you want, you can also open it on your PC. Now we'll right click here. We'll go into the last row that says inspect. Now I'll click on this and a browser pops up here. This is called the Chrome Development Tools. See this pointer here, click on it. And now I don't like my math marks, so I'll go here. I'll change my grade first. I'll click on this, and as you can see, it's highlighted in blue here. It says TD, B, and the TD tag is closed here. I'll double click on this. Again, single click it. Now I'll write what tag can I get? Okay, okay, okay. We'll go with O grade. Let's type O and enter. See, I got O grade suddenly. Isn't this fun? Now I'll change my points as well. See, again, click on this pointer. Select the text you want to change. It will be highlighted here. Now double click and then single click. Now backspace. I mean, delete whatever is there and then add. I need 10 points. Okay. So see, here we got 10 points, but we're editing a local copy of this file that is stored on the server. So when we refresh this, I'm going to get my B grade again. Let's refresh it once. Oh, wait, we'll go again. See, now when we refresh it, we get the same B grade again because we are not changing the original copy of this one. We are changing the local copy that is being downloaded into our computer when we search for it. So let's try another one. I recently bought this chair and it's very costly. Let's try and change its price. Okay, now I selected this pointer. Can anybody tell me where I need to click next?
On the amount, sir.
Okay, on the amount. See, it pops up here in the highlighted section. We'll double click, then again single click. I delete this. How much should we price this?
200.
Okay, 200. I type 200 there and now enter. See, it's changed here. But if I reload this, it's going to be the same amount again that was before because they're changing the local copy of this file, not the original copy. And when we refresh, it means that our browser is going to load the original file that is on the server. That's why the value does not change. So now we'll look at other things we planned for this lecture. We look at the different HTML tags used in the basic HTML through implementation. Let's see this H1 tag first. Let's go to Atom. Okay, so if you guys are listening, please code along with me. It will be more fun. Are you guys listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
I got three responses. Okay, nice. So yeah,
Yes.
we'll open our folder where we save. Yes. So remember this, we got our website. Okay, now this is the H1 tag, which means heading 1. This is going to display this text, whichever is enclosed within the two tags, in a very huge font size so that it is the first heading. Let's see, we'll copy full path. We'll go to our browser and we'll paste it there. So this is what we get when we use the H1 tag. Now let's inspect this website with the Chrome Developer Tools. Inspect. I'll click on this. I'll click on the text. See, we use the H1 tag, and this is the content that is inside it. And we close the H1 tag. Let's try and change this. What do you want me to change it to? Anybody's name? Hello? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So can anybody give me a name to change it here?
Lokesh.
Hello. Okay, I'll try Lokesh. Let's delete this. See here, Lokesh is displayed, but the actual thing we wrote was Shoukath, right? So this is what I mean by the actual copy. This is the actual copy where Shoukath is written, but this is the local copy that we are changing. Now, if I refresh this, what is going to happen? Anyone?
Again, your name will be displayed on the screen, sir.
Again, my name will be displayed on the screen. See, we'll reload this. See, when I'm reloading this, what I'm essentially doing is I'm dumping the temporary copy, and then I'm getting a new copy of the original file that is present in this file. Okay, guys, is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the next tag we're going to learn is H2, and these three dots essentially mean that we have the tags from H1 to H6, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So actually H1 should be smaller and H6 should be greater, right? Because 6 is a greater numerical value. But the truth is H1 means a greater font size because H1 is the first heading and H6 means the sixth heading. So let's try. Let's try the H5 tag and we'll type Lokesh here. Save this and refresh it here. See, Lokesh is a very small font in this, if you can observe. Can you see this, guys? I'm sorry, I spelled it wrong. But okay, let's try. Which tag do you want me to try next? H1 to 6. H3 will try. H3 will type Asgar. Now we'll refresh this. See, Asgar is given in a slightly larger font than H5, but smaller than H1. We'll try H2 also. H2. This is H2. H3 will try H4. This is H4. H5. This is H5. So can anyone tell me what is going to happen when I reload this site? How are these going to be displayed?
Very slightly displayed, sir. H4, H5, H6.
Okay. So H2 is going to be displayed larger than H1, right?
Yes, sir.
H2 is going to be displayed larger than H1.
No.
No, this
H2 will be smaller than it.
Yeah, that's correct. This is the H1 tag and it's displaying larger. The H2 is smaller, H3 smaller than that. H6 is the smallest one. Now the next tag we'll look at is P tag, which means paragraph. So this is usually used for content writing. Like if I have to write a lot of content based on an image or something, we'll use the P tag. So we have something else called lorem. This is a paragraph. Something. So now, see, H6 and the paragraph tag are very similar, but there's a slight change in the font size, if you can observe. Paragraph tag is usually used to write content, as I told you. And the next one we are going to look at is the I tag. I tag is essentially for italics. So does anybody know what italics is?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me what it is?
The container slightly bent.
Okay, a font that's slightly bent, right? Yeah, we'll reload this and see. See, this is italic font and it is slightly bent towards the right. Okay, now the next tag we'll be looking at is the B tag. The text enclosed within this tag will show up bold. So it'll be a bit thicker than the other ones. B tag. This is bold text. Let's see. If you can see, this is bold text and it appears a bit thicker than what we have written here. After that, we're going to look at the EM tag. EM tag is essentially the same as the I tag, but they just use it. It gives the same output as the I tag. Let's see. This is text for EM. Are you guys coding along with me? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are.
Yeah, so phone users, please code in codepen.com. It'll be fun if you code along with me. Okay, so see. These two fonts are almost the same, but emphasis is a little thicker. That's it. If you observe, then this font is a bit thicker. Now, what I want to do is, I don't want these sentences popping up right next to each other. I want them to be in the next line. This font in a line, this font in a line, and this font in a line. So what we'll do is we press enter, right? But HTML doesn't understand that. So we use a tag that's called BR tag. This is a self-closing tag. This is the first self-closing tag we've seen so far. So what happens if I use this BR tag is it breaks the line. It breaks the line here if I apply it after the italics tag. I'll show you here. I'll show you. Now we'll break the line flow here. BR tag. That I'll break it here. BR tag. So what is going to happen is it breaks the text flow here and takes it to the next line. It breaks the text flow here and then it takes to the next line. After that, we're going to look at the HR tag, which is a horizontal rule. Instead of just breaking it, we can add lines in our website. HR. See, here we got lines instead. This is a variation of the BR tag, but in this case, we get a line instead of just empty space. After that, we're going to look at the head tag. If you guys remember, we typed, let's create a new file. As soon as I type HTML and click enter, this thing shows up. A whole bunch of line of code, like 10 lines of code. This code is called the HTML boilerplate code, which means this is the very essential thing you need. Let's see one by one. The HTML tag states that this document is a HTML document, and the head tag is used to link up files. Like when we write CSS, we'll understand why we use the head tag. And body tag is basically the body of the website. This whole thing, this whole area is enclosed in the body tag. And if we select the body tag, it means we've selected the whole website. Then let's see another tag. The image tag. Do you guys have images of yourself or images of something you like on your PC? Okay, so if anybody is sleeping, please chat sleeping in the text box. If anybody is awake, type awake in the chat box, please. Okay, maybe I went too fast. Okay. So, I'm sorry, I went too fast. Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay. Where did you lose me? Like, okay, no, it's okay, away. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, I'll repeat it. Where did you lose me? Like, where did I go too fast? It's fine. Okay,
At B, sir.
okay, B tag, bold tag.
Yes, B tag.
Okay. So let's go back to the B tag and we'll see the B tag is used to show text in a bold way. Like, see, this is bold tag and this is a normal paragraph tag. If you see, this font is a bit thin and this font is a bit bold. Is that okay? Did you
Yes,
guys
sir.
get that? This
Yes,
is
sir.
the emphasis of bold tag, like B tag. After that, we're looking at the EM tag. The EM tag is used to emphasize text, like making it look more important. This looks bold, but this looks important. See, this is italic, but instead of the italic font, it's a bit thicker if you observe. Okay. After that, we're going to look at the BR tag. BR tag is basically, see, if I want to type something here, like my name is Shoukath, okay, something. After that, I want to type another sentence. I want it to be on the next line. What do I do?
BR.
Okay,
BR tag we
in
use.
the website, yes, we use the BR tag in the website, but what do we do in normal typing? Like if I'm typing in a notepad and
New line.
yeah, new line, enter, right? In a computer, we type enter, right?
Yes, sir.
Instead of enter, because the website can't understand that we are clicking enter, we use the BR tag. What BR tag does is it's basically enter for the website. So let's see. I'll do this as BR and the BR. After the italic tag, after the B tag, I'm using BR. Please notice after the I tag and after the B tag, I'm using BR. Let's save this and uh, if you observe, before I used BR tag, this was on the same line as this and this. But now that we use BR, it's breaking it till here and sending it to the next line. And it's breaking it till here and it's sending to the next line. Is that okay? Okay. Guys, are you getting me? Am I going too fast? Okay, I'm going too fast. Okay, so where did you guys lose me? Please tell me again. I'll repeat that section.
BR tag, sir.
Again? Okay. So BR tag is basically like enter. Yeah. Yeah, see. Okay. So this is the uh, document without BR tag. See, I didn't start BR yet. I'm starting it now again. See, I'll reload this. What you can say is these three tags, if you observe, see the I tag. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Anay. Yeah, so after this, we're going to look at something that's called the HR tag. Now that we know what VR is, like it breaks the line. HR tag is something that adds a line, like, yes, let me show you. Yeah, I've used the HR tag after the bold tag. So what is going to happen is the text after this is pushed to the next line, but a horizontal rule is added, like a line is added here. Can you guys see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, is that fine? Did you understand the HR tag? It pushes the text to the next line, just like enter, just like BR tag, but it adds a line here, this line. Okay. Did everyone understand this tag, the HR tag?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is okay, sir.
Okay. Next tag we're going to see is the head tag. So the head tag, we've been using it since long time here. This head tag is which contains links to any other thing or any other file or a website that you need to get into your file. After that, the title tag is used to give a title to your page. If you see here, you can see that it's index.html, right? Let me change it to somebody's name. Can anybody give me a name to change it?
Hi, Kumar.
Sai. Sai Kumar in the title tag, and I'll save it. I'll refresh it. See, instead of index.html, we got Sai Kumar here, right? This is the name of our website or website, and that is specified in the title tag of our HTML document inside the head tag. So the title will show up here. Okay. If we leave it like that, it's going to be the title of the file name. Okay. So after that, the body tag contains all the matter that we are specifying to the website. Like it contains the H1 tags, P tags, I tags, and BR tags. Is that okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is okay.
Okay. After that, the image tag. Am I too fast or am I too slow? Is the speed okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now let's look at a website that's designed only with HTML and we'll get a better use of these tags. Where's this website? Yeah, remember this website from the first lesson? Anyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir, we do
Yeah.
remember.
So let's see. This man named his website thomas.h. Okay. This is done using the title tag. Okay. After that, see these lines here. This line, this line, this line, and this line. All these lines. These are made with the HR tag, and these are made with the P tag. Can anybody tell me which tag he must have used for this text right here?
H1 tag,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, H1 tag, probably H1 tag. After that, what do you think he used for these?
P-Tech.
Yes, P tag. Okay, so this guy added his photo here. Anay? Okay. Yeah, but text is done. Anay. You start Anay.
Yes.
Yes, and it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and sure.
I tag, sir. I tag. No, sir.
Iron Man. Iron Man.
Thor.
Iron Man. Captain America.
Thor. Yes, sir.
UL. Another.
Black Panther.
Scarlet Witch.
Hulk. Hulk.
No, sir.
Image SRC. IMG SRC. No, sir.
Yeah, there's a doubt in
No,
chat
sir.
box. How are viewing output? Like, how are we viewing output? Someone asked. How are we viewing the output from Atom? They're asking.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
బాయ్ బాయ్ జీతు నీవేలే బాయ్
Yes, it is understood. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is
Yes,
Yes, sir.
It file and make it.
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, we can see, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and go to access archive.
Yes, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Actually, how to decrease the image size as it is so big, right? Okay.
And I will show that circular image thing. Directly will show that circular image thing.
Actually, the image is in PNG form. Nothing else.
Sir, sir, we added something like meta character set. What is that for, sir?
The
Mm,
boilerplate code.
yeah, in the hub. Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Anay, should we try and make them implement the tags we learned? Yes, Anay. We'll make them make a website like that, uh, like the professor's website. Homework will be fine. Maybe we'll show them first how to code like that. Then we'll give them homework. Uh, yes, Anay. I'm sharing my screen now. Yes, Anay. Yes, Anay. I sent it. Yes, Anay. Code with your name, Anay. Like, with your photo, with your name, and with your details, so that they'll understand that they need to make it with their own details. Trial and error, trial and error, trial and error. Maybe we can implement list here. List. Unordered list. Unordered list for hobbies. Uh, like all our workshops, maybe Edumoon's workshops. Listen. Okay. Endgame. Endgame.
Infinity War.
Civil War.
Doctor Strange.
Anchor tag. Hey.
Anchor.
Yeah, LinkedIn account.
Create a new folder.
Uh, the tag used for linking websites. Come on, guys.
Anchor tag.
Anchor tag, sir.
HR tag.
It's a tag.
HR tag.
After
वो the
that,
angler,
after that,
वो the angler.
After the ordered list.
we understood, sir.
Understood.
Yes.
Yes, Anil. Guys, try and make the same website by the next class. Just try it. It's okay if you get stuck. Yeah. Okay, guys. So try making the website, and if you have any doubts or you get stuck, messages on our Discord channel, please. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Anay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.